All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So play it safe. Play it safe. Yeah. Safe with like a helmet on. To be careful about something and avoid risks. Play it safe. Oh, not too fast, not too slow, not too not too close. Oh, not too sharp. Not too much. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He always plays it safe on the cliff. They want me to play it safe when driving. Yeah. How cool is that? We want to play it safe from now on. Yes. Yes. Unless you play it safe, you might be putting too much at risk. Yeah, we don't want risk. Yeah. He never played it safe. Yeah, why? Why do you think he never played it safe? Yeah, because he likes to take risks. Yeah. She is trying to play it safe now. Yeah, I don't understand why she wants to play it safe. What is going on? I don't know why she wants to play it safe. What's going on? Yeah, I thought she liked risk, but clearly not. Yeah. All right then. Yeah. So, play it safe. Yeah. I don't play it safe. I don't play it safe. I do risky and bold things. Yeah, I go for it. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, I go for it. So, can you use play it safe in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. If you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.